In this video, you'll learn how to create and manage lighting scenes with the Intermatic Abra mobile app. First, go to the Scene section on the home screen and tap the Add button. On the next screen, select a room for the new lighting scene. For this example, we'll choose the living room. Tap Next. Next, select DIY Scene and tap Next again. You'll see icons for all the bulbs in the selected room. Tap the sliders to turn on the lights you want to include in the scene. To modify a specific light, tap its icon. An outline will appear around the selected bulb and a row of choices will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can tap each section on this row to change the brightness, color temperature, color, or choose a preset. If you select more than one light, the bottom row lets you adjust the brightness range. Color temperature range, or color range between them. To deselect the lights, tap them again and the outline disappears. Now that we've covered the basics, let's create some lighting scenes of our own. For this first scene, let's dim the living room lights down to 50%. Tap the first light and then tap the brightness icon. Drag the slider down halfway and click the back arrow. Now press the color temperature icon. The default color temperature is halfway between warm, yellowish, and cold, bluish. Let's leave the slider there and click the back arrow. Now deselect the first light and select the second light. Again, change the brightness to 50% and then tap on the color temperature, leaving it at the default setting. Click Next to continue. On the final screen, you can give the lighting scene a name. For this example, we will call the scene Living Room 50. You can also change the icon of your scene by pressing on the icon at the top and choosing from the list below. When you're finished, press the Save button. This will take you back to the home screen where you can see your new scene listed under the Scene section. To edit a scene, press and hold the scene's icon and choose Edit Scene. From here, you can change each light's settings, or you can tap Delete at the top right to remove the scene. Or you can press the back arrow to go back to the home screen. For this next scene, let's make a special setting for the evening hours. Again, press the plus button underneath the Scene section. Keep Living Room selected and tap Next. Choose DIY Scene and tap Next again. Now choose both lights and tap the brightness icon. You can drag both sliders simultaneously. For this example, we will dim the lights to about 20%. Press the back arrow. Now choose the color temperature icon. Drag the sliders simultaneously toward a yellowish warm light, and then click the back arrow. Tap Next. We will name this scene Evening Light, and again change the icon. Click Save. Finally, we will create a more colorful scene. Click the plus button in the Scene section. Select Living Room and then click Next. Choose DIY Scene and click Next again. Click on the first light and then click the color icon. Adjust the hue and saturation until you're happy with the result. Click the back arrow. Now choose the brightness icon and choose your brightness level. Click the back arrow. Now deselect the first light and choose the second light. Again, tap the color icon and dial in a hue and saturation level. Tap the back arrow. Select the brightness icon and choose the desired level. Tap the back arrow again. We will name this scene Colors and choose our icon. Now click Save. And that's it! We've now created 3 custom scenes for our Abra system. And if you get stuck at any point in the process, you can contact technical support through the information listed on the screen. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below or visit Intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic webpage for more tutorials.